question 15. If this expression for all values of x and a plus b equals 8, what are the two possible values for c? So looking at this part of the expression, have to realize that this is a quadratic equation and expanding a polynomial. So let's start with this first half. ax plus 2 times bx plus 7. And here again we have to expand a polynomial, which means multiplying ax and 2 across these. So we end up with ax times bx is abx squared. Ax times 7 is plus 7ax. 2 times bx is plus 2bx, and 2 times 7 is plus 14. And now if we try to isolate just the variable x here, we can further combine this to abx squared plus 7a plus 2b times x. See how I pulled these two in, plus 14. And now this is starting to look a lot like this half of the expression that is given to you. So the 14s cancel out, and instead of trying to solve this, recognize that this ab x squared 15x squared means that a times b equals 15, and that this part is 7a plus 2b equals c, but this is actually, well, you'll need this in a minute to try to solve for your answer for possible values of c. Instead, what they have given you is that a plus b equals 8. So this is really the system of equation that we're trying to solve first for possible values of a and b, and this is where we're pretty much solving a quadratic equation by hand. So we're looking for the factors. So a times b, the factors of 15. What numbers multiplied by each other can equal 15? Well, you can have 1 times 15, and you can check your answer. A plus b, does 1 plus 15 equal 8? No. What other factors are there for 15? Well, 3 times 5 equals 15, and we can quickly check and see that 3 times 5 in fact, or 3 plus 5, sorry, in fact equals 8. So here are our numbers for a and b. So a and b can either equal 3 and 5, or they can equal 5 and 3. And that's how you end up with two possible values for c. So we're going to plug these values into this equation here. So c can either equal 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5, which is 21 plus 10 gives you 31. So here we can already see that the answer is going to be D. But if we finish this equation, then we can flip the order and do 7 times 5 plus 2 times 3, or 35, and 6, that equals 41. So now we've just confirmed that the answer is D.